Hi guys, this is Lara and welcome back to Dream Filipina. So today we're gonna talk about what would make a Filipina leave an American man. Today we're gonna dive into the topic that doesn't get talked about enough. What would actually make a Filipina leave an American man? There's this common stereotype that once a Filipina is with a foreign man, she'll do anything to stay, no matter what. But let me tell you, that's a myth. Filipinas, like any other women, have standards, self respect, and boundaries. Number one, debunking the myth. Some people believe that Filipinas will put up with everything just because their partner is a foreign guy. They assume it's about all the money, visas, or opportunities. But here's the truth, no amount of financial stability or foreign status can make up for a lack of respect. A relationship isn't a ticket, and if that partnership isn't built on love, care, and equality, it simply won't last. So no, Filipinas are not desperate to stay in a relationship that makes them unhappy. We are human beings with dignity and we deserve to be treated well. Number two, why things wouldn't work out. So what actually makes a Filipina live? It's simple. Disrespect. When her opinions are ignored, when her culture is looked down on, when she's treated less than instead of an equal. It doesn't matter if the man is American or Filipino or from anywhere else. For us, disrespect is a deal breaker. Because us Filipinos may be patient and understanding, but that doesn't mean we'll tolerate being belittled, controlled, or undervalued. Who wants that, right? Number three, standards for a partner. Here's the thing, many Filipinas are raised with strong values family, loyalty, and sacrifice. And that means we give a lot in our relationships. But giving doesn't mean we settle. Standards matter, and those standards are not about money or status, they're about character. And for us, a good partner should respect you, support your goals, treat you with kindness, and most importantly, sees you as an equal. If those standards aren't met, walking away isn't long. It's choosing yourself. Why not to settle? Settling for less than you deserve might keep you in a relationship, but it won't give you happiness. Girlie, listen to me. The right relationship should not drain you, it should lift you. It should not make more problems than you already have because it should make your life a lot more easier. The right partner doesn't control you, they should respect your independence. And most importantly, they should always make you feel seen, respected, and most importantly, loved. That's why Filipinas, like any other women, are willing to leave, even if it means starting all over again. Because self respect is worth more than staying in a relationship that doesn't honor your worth. So, to anyone watching this, remember a Filipina is not defined by who she's with. She has the power to walk away from any relationship that doesn't bring happiness to her, any relationship that doesn't serve her. So, to my fellow Filipinas, don't settle for less than you deserve. Your love, loyalty, and strength are priceless, and the right man will recognize that. So, what's one standard you'll never compromise on in a relationship? Leave a comment below, I'd like to hear your thoughts. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to hear this. See you in the next video. Bye!